This is 220 amps battery. This is tubular battery. So when you see this is the gauge. As you can see, in the batteries, bring your cables and start the arrangement. Interconnect here. Then you connect it to these two. Then after the connections, you have gotten your 24 volts. Then if you interconnect from this to this, which is positive to negative, then from negative to positive, then from this positive to negative, you are able to achieve what we call 48 volts. That is interconnecting 12 volts in series gives you 48 volts. Then if you want to connect 24 volts, it means you are connecting 12 volts in series with two batteries. That is 12 volts into 2 gives you 24. But 12 volts into 4 gives you 48. For instance, the system we have here now is from here to here, you get your 24 volts. But if you terminate from here, 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 and here, you are actually gotten your 48 volts. That is to say, from end to end is 48. But from here to here is 12. That is, here is 48 volts, and this is another 48 volts. So once you are done with your connection, the next thing you are going to do is to load your system. First of all, if you are running a solar installation, you should know the capacity you are running with. You know the battery system you are about to run with. So follow me as I take you on how you can run it with the inverter system. This project, I'm going to show you the rundown on how the 10 kVA installations went down. This 10 kVA installation is actually 10 kVA by 46 volts, and we have a backup system that makes it 8 batteries. So I have here with me the 4 batteries downstairs. This is 220 amps by 12 volts. Once they are series like this, as I series them, they are now 48 volts, and this is another 48 volts system too. Now I parallel them and their output to ensure that I get the proper connections with my inverter system. This inverter system is 48 volts by 10 kVA. So this system actually serves, you can use it to power anything in your house, including your fridge and your ACs. At least you have a minimum of 1 AC, and you can have a maximum of 3 ACs with this system. Then with the lighting points and other things, which is the appliances that are in the house, you can actually use this to control it. Then following these steps, remember, for us to get this battery charged, you have to attract the sun, which we use solar panel to do. That solar panel is what, as you can see my people working over here. This is the solar system that already working on it. So the moment you bring down these panels with the energy generated, the energy by this panel, which is 20 panels in number, this is actually 300 watts per one. So when all of them are interconnected and are brought down to this charge controller, helps to charge the battery and makes it back up the energy in order for it to be used once there is no sun. As you can see the process going on. Then I have here the control system. This is used to control both the AC and the surge. Here you can see I have my voltage monitor, or the voltage guide, or the voltage protector. As you can see, this is my AC surge and this is my DC surge. This thing you see here is the circuit breaker. This circuit breaker controls any fault that comes from the panel, while this controls the inputs from the alternative source or any other source that can be supplied to this system. Then with it, you can actually have a complete system that serves you very well. It powers the ACs and it powers the fan, it controls the TV, anything that you have in your house. With it, you can achieve maximum enjoyment and comfort with electricity. There's nothing like power failure once you have this solar system. So follow me as I keep on bringing you the updates. Thank you for watching, and click on my subscription button to ensure that you get connected on the amazing things I share with you all the time. Thank you. On the gen, let's confirm the charging.